With PHP, there are two ways to get output. We can use the echo or print statement. Both these output methods are relatively the same. The main difference is that echo allows multiple parameters in a statement and print does not. We'll come back to this in a moment. Echo also executes statements slightly faster than print. In this first example, we've used an echo statement to output some text contained within the HTML h1 tags. The HTML tags must be contained inside the quotes along with any text. And you can see the output on the right side here. This is the test header in this echo statement. Next, we have another echo statement with some text followed by an HTML break tag. So again, we're embedding some HTML inside our quotes, and you can see the output for that statement here. The third echo statement contains multiple parameters. We can see each parameter enclosed in quotes followed by a comma. So you can see the first parameter, the second, the third, and the fourth. And they're all connected by commas to form a sentence, as seen in the output over here. So the print function does not allow this method with multiple parameters. And even using the echo statement, this is very rarely used. And lastly, we just have an echo statement with the HR tag, and that just gives us the horizontal line as a separator. We can output variables using echo. So in this example, we've declared 4 variables: text1, text2, x, and y. So text1 and text2 hold text strings, whereas x and y hold numerical values. Text strings, of course, have to be enclosed in quotations, where numerical values do not. In our first echo statement here, we've outputted the variable text1 inside HTML header tags. In our second echo statement, we've outputted the words I like, followed by variable text2 and an HTML break. The third echo statement outputs the sum of variable x and y. And so we can see the results of these 3 statements right over here. So this is the first echo statement with the header 2 tags. This is the second echo statement, and the third. The third is the sum of x and y. The next set of examples do the same thing as what we went over above, only this time it's using print instead of echo. And as you can see from the output, as you go through the code and also the output on the right side, the results are identical. The only difference is we've replaced the word echo with print. The statements are the same as well. And so you can go through that and see how there's really not much difference at all.